Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good job opportunity that has came in Amazon, and we are going to discuss about everything, that is what is the eligibility criteria, what are the things, what will be your responsibility, what are the skills they are looking for. We are going to talk about everything, so don't need to worry about that thing. It is not an issue about at all. So we are going to discuss everything. Be tuned with this video. Just you need to do one thing, you need to watch this full video, because we are going to discuss everything, and I will also tell how to register, because it is a very simple process, and it is a virtual, it is a work from home. The best part is that it is a work from home job. So we are going to talk about everything. Before that, if you haven't liked our video, please hit that like button, go down and subscribe to our channel. And I have also made one more channel on vlog. एक vlog channel है जिस पे आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियोस डालते रहते हैं जो कि हमारे रियल लाइफ और अपने लाइफ से रिलेटेड है, अपने पर्सनल चीज़ें से रिलेटेड, बिकॉज आई एम अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर ऑल्सो. सो आई एम अपलोडिंग मेनी वीडियोज ऑन दैट टू. So let's start with the video. Let's see what is the process of application, what is the job about. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site of Amazon registration, that is virtual hiring. As you can see here that it is a virtual hiring. In this particular link, it is already mentioned. You will also get this link in the description. Don't need to worry about that thing. So what is the process? The very first thing, that is the job description, the job role. Your job role will be tech ops associate, that is tech ops associate. It is related to technical background, and your location will be from Bangalore. Your location from Bangalore, and you have to be like, when you will go down, I will show you one thing. When you will go down, you will see your roles and responsibility. You are responsible for understanding the basic working knowledge of Linux, should be able to work on the filtering partners. That is, you need to have a good knowledge of Linux. Is a little Linux knowledge also preferred. So when you will go down, you can also read this. You will click on this, you will get everything. Like when I will see here the basic qualification, that it can be also assumed as a minimum eligibility. When you will go down, you will see this one. The very first thing is that engineering from good school. That is very important. The very first eligibility, that is engineering from good school, is important. Then 0 to 3 years of work experience. If you have a 0 to 3 years of work experience, that is preferred. And troubleshooting ability, you need to troubleshoot the things. Like if you got any error, you need to troubleshoot that error, that how you got there, what is the problem, and how to fix that. That is basic about the troubleshooting. When you will say basic commands of Linux, knowledge of HTML, XML, written communication skills, good written communication skills. This is very basic. That if you are going for any company, let's suppose any company, the basic communication skills are required in every company. You need to have a good basic communication skills. That is very important. And I have also made some videos on communication skills, on how I improve my communication skills, how I improve my English. That all I have told in that video. Will go down in the description, you'll find a video. In that you will find that how I explained, what things I did, because it is a very basic thing that I did, how to improve our communication skills. Then written knowledge, good knowledge of, what do we say, MS Excel. This one, MS Office. You need to have a good knowledge of MS Office. That is it. When you will this like how to register, let's see. For the registration, what you need to do, you need to fill this form. Like you will get this form, like from where you need you got this information. Choose others, or write here YouTube, anything. Suppose you got from the YouTube, write YouTube or anything. That is only for the, what we say, नॉर्मल प्रोसेस इट इज़. ठीक है. तो जब यहाँ पे जाते हो तो नॉर्मल अपना ईमेल आईडी, ये सारी चीज़ें भर दी. फुल नेम में अपना नाम भर दिया. बहुत इजी है, बहुत इजी. अपना नंबर भर देते हैं, फिर हम नीचे स्क्रॉल कर लेंगे. ठीक है. Number, I have filled my number. Then I will go here, date of birth. You will click on this, you will click on this. Okay, so you will click here. Suppose my date of birth is 1997 October 24. This is the way you have to select your date of birth. If you get any issue, just see this video. I have explained everything. Don't need to worry about that thing, man. So when you will go down, the citizenship is Indian. Then current location is anything, NCR, Bangalore. What is your location? Suppose my location is Bangalore for now, so I am clicking on here. And your graduation, you are pursuing graduation or completed your graduation, whatever you are doing, just click on that. And your year of passing, suppose I am pass after 2020, so I will click on here that 2020. And education details, that is I am from engineering background, as this job is only for the engineering background, because it is technical job. You can read the details also, so no need to worry. I will come up with many videos on non-tech also. Don't need to worry about that thing. And very good updates are going to come. Don't need to worry about that thing. Just see this video, like this video, and subscribe our channel. You will get many videos in the future. So what is the experience? Suppose 0. Okay, so are you working currently? No, I'm not working currently. Notice period, can join immediately. If you are a fresher, I am filling for that. So current employer, NA. If you don't have anyone, NA. It is just for your what we the server thing, survey. Then you will click here, and when you will fill all these things, resume is important. You have to fill the resume. If you are if you were currently working in Amazon, or you are working in Amazon as a VCS or anything, you just need to fill that, and these all the things. Then click on this checkbox, and I'm not a robot, then submit. This is a very simple process. How can you apply? And you need to keep in the minds that you can also read these things. Like, you have to fill every detail. Whenever you are going to fill these things, you need to fill everything. Then only your form will be filled. You will get a notification or a mail ID. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video, some more informative topics with some more videos like it. No need to worry about that thing. I will come with the video. Don't need to worry. You just keep watching this channel and keep supporting like this. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for this milestone you have given me, because I have never thought that I will come to this milestone. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video, some more informative topics. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.